goodness! I have extra dishes, I can't believe it. I mean, what's wrong with extra dishes, Mario? Chef, you might face me when you talk. Okay, fine, I'm facing you. Now, what's so wrong with extra dishes, Mario? I hate them. So, oh goodness. You know, whatever. By the way, don't chefs usually wear a hat? Yeah, my hat is right over there, I think. No hat over there. Oh. Alright, if you go grab me my hat, Wario. Ah, sure, but I'm gonna go ask Frank for a break. Dang it, too much dishes to do. Too many, Wario. No more grammatical mistakes are allowed on this channel. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. Good candy, Frank. Oh my goodness. Okay, Frank. My name's Wario. I need a break. Oh, really? Well, have a break then, Wario. Have the Kit Kat. See, no, you get the joke. Here we go. Fine. I'll go have this Kit Kat, but seriously, where's Chef's hat? Cause he really needs one. I don't know, it might be over by the window. You can go check. I'll look over here, you look over by the window. Alright, I'm gonna have a Kit Kat while I'm at it. Oh, this is some good stuff. Oh man. Kit Kats for life. Where the heck is Chef's hat though? I need another bite of Kit Kat. Oh man, why the heck is this thing so good? Still don't see Chef's hat. Where the heck is it? Over here, I guess. Nope. What warrior on earth could it be? I gotta go test it. I can't find it. Where's Wario with my hat? Chef, I can't seem to really find your hat too easily today. Oh well, that's too bad. Is that Kit Kat? Yeah, Frank gave it to me when I asked him for a break. Well, then you got your break, Wario. Get it? Kit Kat, break. I don't get it. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. You don't know the commercial? Whatever. Seriously, I cannot find your hat. I'm just gonna go finish my Kit Kat and look over with Frank, because he's probably having better luck than I am. Yeah, you do that. Oh, goodness. So good. Ugh. Can't for life. Well, guess my break's over now. Buster, you have any luck? Cause, I don't think I am. Nope, no luck. Well, all I see is your wallet, Wario's wallet, and some sort of weird cylindrical thing. Frank, what the heck are you doing over here? I'm doing what you asked, looking for Chef's hat. Isn't that it right there? Oh, I never thought of it that way. Frank, sometimes you are a pure non-genius. Like, you're so stupid that you can't even relate things to what they should be. Like, you can't even relate a white cylinder to a chef hat. That's how stupid you are, Frank. Well, bring me to school then, Wario, because apparently, you know, maybe you should go back to college, I don't know. You know, sometimes, I don't know what the heck's wrong with my knowledge today, I don't know. So, how much sleep have you been getting, Frank? I mean, I haven't really slept too well last night, because it was raining so hard, and there was so much wind, I just couldn't sleep too well last night, Wario. I'm still very tired. Okay, then, you should get extra sleep tonight. Maybe you'll get your knowledge back then. I hope so. Where the heck is my hat? Chef, good news. Oh, what is it, Wario? I found your hat. You found my hat, Wario. You found my hat. Where is it? It's right here. That's not my hat, Wario. My hat is the golden hat. That's just like a novelty chef hat. 5-star chef. Are you serious? I've been spending like minutes. I spent like 10 minutes looking for this chef, and you rejected it. It's not my hat, Wario. Well, fine. I'll go find the golden hat. I don't know where the heck it could be, but I'll go find it, chef. Will that make you happy? Yes, it would, Wario. Ah! Man, what the heck is wrong with him today? Oh, goodness. I finally get to watch TV. My shirt is not on. Oh, goodness. Oh. Alright. Shirt's on the rest. Dang it, where the heck is the remote? Right. What is it now, Wario? I already found Chef's hat for you. Now, you gotta find something for me, the remote. No. It's not what I came... I want you to find Chef's hat for me. I just did that, Wario. What the heck are you talking about? Clearly you have a lack of sleep, too. No, I do not. I know you just found what seems like Chef's hat. I don't know what you're talking about, Wario. You found a chef hat, not Chef's hat. Oh my goodness, Wario. Chef wants his golden hat. Oh, I don't know where that is at all, then. You're serious right now. Yep, 100% serious, Wario. I do not know where Chef's golden hat is. You're gonna have to look for it. You can't even help? Look, oh, here's the remote. I got TV to watch. Frank, remember your lack of sleep last night? Yeah. Why didn't you catch up on sleeping instead? Actually, yeah, you're right. Screw you, remote. Oh, the heck. Oh. I'm not even energetic today, Wario. Can you, like, toss the remote aside for me? Done. It's time to rest. Oh my goodness, now we're gonna find Chef's golden hat. Wait a minute. I just had like a little bit of a dinger. Wario, get in here. What the heck? Wario. Chef, what do you want? I think I might know where my golden hat is. Oh, really? That would make my job a whole lot easier. Please tell me. Do we have a safe? Because I think I might have put it in some sort of safe that we have. Chef, we don't have a safe. Okay, then, okay, last place I remember putting my golden hat. You should check the recyclables pile. If you can't find it, I'm just gonna look for it myself, because you'd be proven worthless. Sure thing. So, wait, where's the recyclables pile? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, that pile of papers, cardboard, other bills and crap over there. You gotta search through that. Okay, give me a second, I'll do that right away. Thank you. Recyclables pile. All there are bottles, jugs, paper bags. That's inside of the paper bag. Empty boxes of... Oh, there's still something in here, never mind. Expired coupons. Newspapers that were from weeks and months ago. What the heck? Some sort of advertisement or whatever, magazine, I don't know, flyer. Or flyer. Another advertisement and flyer. More year-old newspapers. Whatever the heck this is, I don't know. And I see bills at the bottom. How the heck would Chef's golden hat be in this pile? It's not even behind the wine bottle. What the heck? Oh, dang it! What the heck is it? Flood insurance. Crap. More like... We already have flood insurance, we don't have to purchase more. Oh my goodness, I gotta tell Chef I can't find his hat. Why is Wario taking so long to find my hat? Oh, really, Wario? You're lucky I didn't fall over this time. Chef, I can't find your hat. You can't find my hat. I searched in the recyclables pile. I don't even know why the heck your hat would be in the recyclables pile. Because someone might have recycled it. That's not funny. Anyway, good luck on finding it on your own, because I give up. Fine, I'll find it on my own. Oh my goodness. I don't need this. I think I might know what it is, actually. Oh, damn it. Oh, ow. Golden hat could be in here somewhere. Oh. Chocolates. On the edge, for some reason. I can't find it in the cabinet. Dang it. Probably another cabinet. This cabinet. Oh, heck no, those are laxatives. Where the heck could my... Are you serious? This is it. This is a perfect match. It's my golden hat. It was over here the whole time. I guess Wario was right when he said I was going blind as a bat, along with Frank. Wow. I can't believe my golden hat. There the whole time. Where the heck am I gonna put it? That way I can find it better. Also hide the fact from Wario that I found it. Aha, up here. You'll never know the difference. Never mind, it won't stay up there, dang it. Back here. Okay. Alright. Give up. I just give up. Chef can find his hat for himself. You know, I'm gonna go check on him. Chef. Yes, Wario. How is your hat finding going on your own? Actually, I found it. Where? I found it in a random location I did not expect it to be. Let me show you in detail. It was right by the blue bowl. See right there, Wario. There. Okay, now where the heck is it now? It's behind me. Oh! Your phone is behind you, Chef. Oh, wait, I see it. Here it is. Well, I found it. Matt keeps keeping his Halloween decorations up. It's getting annoying. I know, right? Yeah. Also, oh, goodness. Your hat and your phone. This is a golden hat, and this is your iPhone, obviously. You might want to keep these someplace a little more safe, if you know what I mean. Alright, tell me to buy a safe. You don't really need a safe, just like find a good place to store these. I can leave my phone out here. What if you make a mess? I'll put it in the plastic bag. But what if the mess goes through the plastic bag? Wario, you know only condensed molecules and very small sized molecules can go through plastic bags. It's impossible for, like, normal, messy objects to head through plastic bags. Yeah, but what if the plastic bag's open? I'll close it. What if you don't close it all the way? Then I'll, put it inside another plastic bag. How about that? Okay, you know what? Enough about plastic bags. Just find a good storage place for these things next time. So, for now, you can leave them out here, I guess. But when you're cooking, try to store them someplace safe. Will do, Wario. Well, where the heck did you go? Dang it. Frank. Oh, still asleep, I see. Frank, can you wake up for a second? What the heck do you want, Mario? You told me to get more rest. I just want to say I succeeded in finding Chef's hat, and the TV is still on. You might want to turn it off if you want more rest. Can you pass me the remote? Here. Here is your remote. Okay, now, which button is the off button? There we go. Alright, what the heck is that noise? Must be my dang phone. Ah, goodness. Alright. Who the heck sent me a message? What? Temperatures expected to hit the negatives tomorrow. Oh goodness, that's not good. Well, that can't be good. Wario! Wario!